Let's review our first exercise together. We'll go through it step by step and we'll solve it. To draw this shape, the first thing we need to do is determine where our origin or coordinate system is. In other words, to start designing where our starting point will be, which here it's clear that the origin is at the center of this line segment. Next, we'll try to sketch a shape similar to what we see here, in a very schematic way. Let's go ahead and do it. We don't need to worry about the origin's position right now, and I'll just draw the entire shape wherever I want on the plane. I open SolidWorks, press Ctrl-N, select the Part module. From the Feature Manager design tree, I select the front plane and enter the Sketch mode. From the Sketch commands, I select the Line tool. And as I said, I'll try to draw a shape similar to what we see here, just schematically. For example, something like this. I'll intentionally make the shape as rough as possible. So schematically, I'll draw something like this. In the next step, by using relations provided by the SolidWorks software, I'll try to make this shape look more like the one we see here. For example, if I want this line to be horizontal, I click on the line, and from the left panel in Add Relations section, I select the horizontal relation. From its shape, it's clear that this means the line will be positioned horizontally. It can be seen that a green horizontal relation displayed here, and the line is positioned horizontally. This means if I grab this point of the line and move it, the line can rotate at various angles. But once I add the horizontal relation, the line will remain perfectly horizontal in all cases, and it won't rotate. Similarly, I can select this line, and this time without moving the cursor, from the pop-up options, I choose the vertical relation. Again, I make this line perpendicular. I move the point, place it here. For making these two lines equal, I select the first line, hold Ctrl, select the second line, and without moving the cursor, from the pop-up options, I choose Equal. Or from the left panel in Add Relation. It can be seen that all applicable relations for these two lines are displayed by the SolidWorks software here. So I select Equal. And now you can see the green equal relation was added, and it shows that these two lines are equal in length. I repeat the same process for these two other lines, and I make them equal. If I want to remove a relation I've applied, I simply select it and press Delete on the keyboard. The horizontal relation was removed from the line. So first, we have created a schematic shape and then applied all the necessary relations. In the next step, based on the given dimensions in the drawing, we will define the dimensions for our sketch.